Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to secure your website with this amazing tool. So this is Caddy. This tool is named Caddy, and it's a reverse proxy server that will basically help you out create an SSL encryption for your web server. So if, for example, if you run an Apache 2 server, or it doesn't matter, even if you have a Docker application running and you want to expose that application on the web via a domain that you have, you most probably will be able to do that with Caddy, because as you can see here in the title, it says your SSL project. So let's get straight into it. Okay, so what I have here is my instance, my Oracle Cloud instance. What I have basically the website and Plausible running. And I will just zoom in out for it to be okay. So I already have Caddy running, but I will just exit it out so you can see what's about it. So for example, if I go to Plausible and my domain, it doesn't work, right? So connection refused, blah blah blah, and stuff like that. And if I go to Namecheap, actually no, if I ping it, maybe let me just show you real quick. It's the IP address from my web server, so that's one thing. So it doesn't work. And why is that? Is because I didn't install an SSL certificate for my web server, and I didn't forward any HTTPS ports for this matter. So let's use Caddy for that. We will create basically a reverse proxy that will reflect everything that is going on localhost on a specific port. We will forward it to the domain. So how can we do that? Firstly, let's just download it, or I will just show you how to install it. Let's go to documentation and install. So if you just go here and do a sudo and all of this stuff, fine, okay, cool. And then curl fine. And then so basically what I'm doing right now is putting all the packages that I need in the sources list, right? For Caddy, because it doesn't come with any Linux distribution, so you basically need to install it with this type of solution. So as you can see, is already the newest version, but I just wanted to show you how to do it. I will post the link to it in the description, and also create a separate article for this video as well. So let's get right into it. So if you already have Caddy, you can just run Caddy and see what commands you can use. So you have a lot of commands. You have Reverse-Proxy, which is the one that pretty much everyone uses. You have Caddy run, which basically it's a background process, and what it does, it gets all the information from a Caddy file. So this is my Caddy file for now. As you can see, I already have configured a reverse proxy for this specific domain and subdomain. So it's localhost at port 8000. So if I do a sudo docker ps, because I have that on Docker, you'll see here 8000, right? So this is the one that we want to access from the subdomain. So we can do sudo caddy reverse proxy. Okay, and we can do from localhost 8000 to plausible my bad. It's quite the opposite. So it's localhost 1000, because we want basically everyone. So for example, someone that connects to the domain, someone who connects to the domain will be redirected to the localhost of port and port 8000. That means localhost is any IP that is running on my local server. So as you can see here, Caddy proxying this domain to localhost. Okay, so basically what Caddy did, it created a tunnel that when you access this specific domain, it will go through the tunnel and access this specific host. So let's see if now works. Boom, and it did. And if we go here on no site settings, let's see, connection is secured. We've got an SSL encryption from Let's Encrypt, so that's good. That's very good. So yeah, you can do this way. Or if you have, for example, you have a lot of subdomains, you can just create a Caddy file. I will just vim inside it. Let's see. You can just create a Caddy file, and this is the format that you need to use in order for Caddy to understand. So basically, it's the same thing that I did on the command line, but now it's in the file. And why I did this is because if you want, for example, another subdomain, for example, main2 .com, and reverse proxy and localhost, I don't know, port 8080, it won't work because I don't have anything configured on the domain provider. So, but let's just run it. So if we put this command in, basically it will get the configuration that I did. As you can see here, I have a lot of failures and a lot of errors because this subdomain 2 isn't configured, so it cannot basically reverse proxy through it and stuff. But even though plausible still works on my domain, so which is good. But for now, let's just cool. No, Caddy should work. Yeah, still works and works just fine. Yeah, cool. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully you'll find this video educational, and hopefully you learn something new. Have a good one. Bye bye.